Here just we need 1 to 9 addition, subtraction and tables. That is enough. Remaining part everything you can learn here. Okay. So suppose any table, any number multiplication by 11. So no need for 11. I will explain how to do in simple way. Within seconds you can solve how much number it is, doesn't matter. Okay. So it helps in reducing silly mistakes. What you are doing in your sometimes calculations, everything. So that silly mistakes. So we can reduce that. So who have phobia of mathematics? Just raise your hand. Do you have anyone phobia? Yeah, Lokesri. Yeah. So okay, somebody. So don't fear. You can say yes. So if you have any phobia of mathematics, so today onwards, see, leave that. Okay, just give up that phobia, and you are better in mathematics. Okay, it helps them to play with numbers and thereby removes the phobia of mathematics. So there are many advantages in using a flexible mental system. So here pupils can invent their own methods. They are not limited to one method. You are learning some logics, so you can invent your own methods also. This leads to more creative, interested and intelligent pupils. Okay. In this Vedic maths, actually, why we are learning in this? What is Vedic maths? Vedic means Veda. Veda means knowledge. Do you know how many of Vedas we have? Anyone? All are, I think, yeah, Lokesri. See, how many Vedas we have?
4 Vedas.
Very good. Yeah, let me know. Let me know what are Vedas.
Vedas are, I exactly don't know. I just know there are 4 Vedas.
Yeah, very good. How much you know that?
Maybe I think it's on like how you live your daily lives or the good things.
Yeah. No. How many Vedas we have? 4 Vedas you said.
Yeah, 4 Vedas.
4 Vedas. What are 4 Vedas?
The names?
Yeah, names of Vedas.
Atharva Veda.
Yeah.
Rig Veda, Yadur Veda, and I don't know.
Very nice. Everyone give claps to clap to Lokesri. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
See, we have 4 Vedas. These Vedas are ancient scripts written by our 4 fathers. Okay. So what are 4 Vedas? Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharva Veda. Okay. Exactly you said, Lokesri. Okay. See. So the 4th Veda, Atharva Veda, is the base for all the science and technology, architecture, and whatever it may be, even the mathematics also. So from the 4th Veda, we have taken the mathematics. Here in this Vedic maths, it helped for this Atharva Veda. Okay. This term Vedic maths is given by one personality, great personality. Do you know hear about this? I think you don't know. Swami Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. He discovered these Vedic math sutras, everything. He went into deep meditation and recollected 29 sutras. In 29 sutras, what? 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras. He went in deep meditation and recollected. Actually, from ancient history, all these have. But after that, he went in deep meditation. He discovered these. So, what do you do mean by sutra? Sutra is nothing but formula. Okay. Even though the mathematics is there before thousands of years ago in our India, but the Vedic maths came into existence because of this personality. So this is the brief introduction and benefits of Vedic maths. So okay, now we will see the application part. Okay, just let me know what a human brain understands mathematics in a very little age. Do you know? Are you agree with? Yes? Yeah. How do you know? See, suppose your kids, everyone has your younger brother or sister at home. Yes? See, one thing you do, you have any pencils, pens, otherwise chocolates. You keep one hand full of chocolates and one hand just keep two. Your brother, which hand will choose? Which hand they will choose? Yes. Which hand you have more chocolates that, but he doesn't know numbers 10, 8, nothing he doesn't know, but he choose where he has more chocolates, that hand only choose. So it means, so our brain, see, our brain understand the mathematics in very little age. So this shows the child has number sense. Child knows the concept of more and less. Okay, they know what is the more, what is the less, everything. So let me check now in practical way. Now we will check. Okay, did you understand what is Vedic Maths now? Why we are doing?
Yes.
Yes. One second. Just. So because of this, we are learning Vedic Maths. Okay. Now I will share, screen share. See, I think all of you know tables. Yes. How many of you know tables? 1 to 9. Only 1 to 9 is enough for me. Yes. Very good. Yeah, Martina, you also know 1 to 12. You said yes. Yeah. 1 to 9. Yeah. Very good. 1 to 9 tables is enough. Okay. Yeah. Down. Raise hand down. Then see. See. Shall I ask one question? How much time it will take? (98) multiplied by 11. 11 tables also you know, I think. So how much time it will take?
108. 108.
No. How much time it will take?
186.
186. 98 multiplied by 11. No, see, this is my
1078.
very good. Who said Lokasriya? Who said? Yeah.
Me.
Yeah, 1078. Yes. Now, see, this 1078 is 4-digit number, no? It is 4-digit number. So, what is the biggest 4-digit number? What is the biggest 4-digit number?
99999.
Yeah, 9999. Yes, this is the biggest 4-digit number. So, if you want to do this multiplication, this 1078 multiplied by 9999, how much time it will take? I am writing my answer. This is my answer. You can check. How much time it will take? Yeah, say.
177, 89 to 22 days.
177, na? No. See, what you will do? First multiply by 9. Then again, how many steps you need? First one, multiply by 9, again multiply by 9, again 4 steps. After that, what you are doing? Addition. Yes, this many steps you are doing. So in introduction, what I said? Just it reducing your time and your burden also. So that much no need here. You don't go for that much lengthy process. Just you are looking the person and immediately you have to say answer. Within split of seconds, you can say the answer. This, see, suppose, shall I write this answer here? How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. Shall I write this answer? If you want to in calculator, yeah, okay, I will do. Yeah, see, if you want to check in calculator, numbers also will not appear. Why? Because in calculator also some limitation has some at least 10 digits, minimum 10 digits only it will appear. So if I multiply with this number, it is already 8 digits, so 16 digits will come. In 16 digits means it will not appear in your calculator. See, this is my answer. So this is my answer. If you want to check, you can check. So it will helpful for any addition, subtraction, multiplication. So now, so see, any number, Prem Sai, say any number.
42.
42. So
52.
52. 42 multiplied by 52. So this, I will write my answer. This is my answer. You can check. It's right or wrong. Anyone can check and say.
Yep, it's correct.
Yes. See, I in one single line only, I write my answer. Yes. Yeah. Very. Thank you, Prem Sai. See, in single line. Otherwise, in your general mathematics, what you are doing first? 42 multiplied by 52 means first you are multiplied by 2, then you are multiplied by 1. Yes. After that, see these many steps required for. Yes. Are you agree with this?
Yes.
These steps required in general mathematics. So if you learn Vedic mathematics, it helpful for, so no need to go these many steps. I will explain in simple way. What is the logic behind everything? I will explain. Okay. See now, yeah, any number. See this number is there. Okay. No subtraction. So what is the subtraction? So this is my answer. Subtraction. It's right or wrong?
Right.
Yeah, unique. Yeah. See, here in your mathematics, see, I am not blaming that. Reducing, how to reduce while doing in general mathematics, here how it will help, I am explaining. See, in this, just you are taking borrow and you are cutting this and writing of this, and 10 minus 6, again you are taking borrow. Sometimes it may be get wrong. If you do any, forget this here 9, otherwise you are taking, you are considering it is 10. Again, if 10 minus 4, 6 maybe you are writing. So that type of silly mistakes we can avoid here. Okay, just when we are looking the question, immediately you have said the answer. Okay, then see, yeah, this additions. Anyone say number? Any single digit number? Say anyone.
3.
Yeah.
24. 28.
9.
37. Numbers చెప్తుంటుంది.
2.
Okay. Yeah, Lokeshri, you can say
44.
single digit now. You say okay. 24.
Two.
Okay. Yeah. See, addition. You also do along with me. I will do. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
5 plus 3 is 8.
Yeah.
5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21.
No. You do and say answer. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Check. 44 and 68.
This is my answer. It's right or wrong?
Right.
Right.
Very good. Thank you. See, here, no need to carry numbers from 7 after, 4 after 7, 11 plus 9, 20, everything. Simple way. Just we are looking the question, immediately I have to write my answer. I am not writing here my own numbers. What did you say? That only I wrote. Yes? Yeah. Any one of squares? Squares. Square means, see, 25 square. It means 25 multiplied by 25. So this is my answer.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Do you know?
25 square.
Yeah. See. Divisions. How many of you know divisions?
Even done.
Yeah. Divisions, do you know? See, yes. Okay. Then,
Yes, I know a little.
yeah. See. Divided by 9. 13214 divided by 9. You also do?
80.
You also check. Yeah.
Do it.
There's
18. What is she reading? Hey.
So this is my answer. 1468 is quotient, 2 is remainder.
How much? Once 13 minus 9. 13 minus 5. 9 is 4. 4, huh? 42. 9, 10, 12. 4. 36. Put down the 2. Put down the 2. Six, huh?
Are we dividing it?
96. 96 is 54. Then do 45.
Still you are doing?
No.
It's right or wrong?
7. That's 48. Right.
Okay. You can check in calculator also. So your brain will work more than calculator. After this learning Vedic maths, and if you do perfect practice, then your parents say typing on calculator. Before that only you have to say answer. This is helpful that much. Okay. So we have wonderful brain, so don't depend on always this electronic gadgets, everything. So
Minus 4.
yeah. We use our own brain only. Brain is our own brain, na? See, this is our own brain. We learn things we can implement. Our brain should be active. Okay, everything you can learn in our daily regular sessions. Okay. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything I covered. Division also. Okay. See, these all in our general mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Yes, belongs these four only we are doing in our mathematics. Yes, if you learn how to do in simple way in mathematics, in addition, subtraction, everything, so it's helpful for in your mathematics. Yes, see, any number calculation, see what is the answer? Addition. This is my answer. Simple way we can learn. Okay, see, suppose this 802 is there. See how many nines? So these many nines multiplied by nines. Okay, yeah. Shall I write my answer? This is my answer. Not believing it's right or wrong, but thinking that, yeah. Unit, it's right or wrong? Yeah. See, all these are we can learn in Vedic mathematics. It's interesting or not? How did you feel?
Interesting. Amazing.